Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel dan welcome to apa nih? Game apa nih? Guys, GTA San Andreas. Ya, ini dia intro dari GTA San Andreas yang sangat legend banget, men. Kita bernostalgia game. Tapi siapa sih yang nggak kenal nih game nostalgia anjir. GTA San Andreas CG Carl. Gue dulu seneng banget game PS2 tuh, paling gue seneng ini doang, men. Dulu ya, asal main ke rumah saudara gue mainnya game ginian gitu, nggak ada game lain, men. Paling asik ginian di rental gue main game GTA San Andreas. Wah kacau, men. Karena bener-bener paling asik. Gabut-gabutnya tuh asik, men. Parah. Ya ini dia ditangkap, men.
I'll take that, Hernandez.
Hey, that's my paper, man. That's
Diambil
money.
duitnya, men.
This is drug money.
My money, man.
Hey, don't worry about it. I'll fill it out later.
Uang narkoba, what the hell.
Welcome home, Carl.
Welcome home, Carl.
You haven't forgotten about us, have you, boy?
Hell no, Officer Tenpenny. I was just wondering what took y'all so long.
Get in the car.
Ease up, man. Damn.
Kalau dulu
Watch your head.
anjir kejedot.
Get out of here, you
Kalau
greaseball
di
bastard!
rental tuh pasti pada make apa chip tamat ya.
My bag.
Kode tamat, bray. Modenya di mana? Di jalanan kereta. Pas dia mobil polisinya berhenti, ada kereta lewat, nah di situ ngodein jetpack.
How's your wonderful family?
I'm here to bury my
Jetpack
mom.
1, jetpack 2, jetpack 3.
Yeah, I guess I do.
Itu buat
So what else you got shaking, Carl?
Nothing. I live
buka
in
kota
Liberty
1,
City now.
buka kota 3.
Shit.
Kalau
Nah,
kota 3 udah
you
dibuka,
ain't never
otomatis
been clean,
kota
Carl.
2-nya pun udah dibuka. Nah ini
What
dia
do
di
we got
sini.
here?
This is a weapon, Officer Pulaski, that was used to gun down a police officer not 10 minutes ago. Officer Pendlebury. A fine man, I might add. You work fast, nigga.
You know I just got off the plane.
Well, that's a good thing we found you and retrieved the murder weapon.
That ain't my gun.
Don't bullshit me, Carl.
Yeah, don't bullshit him, Carl.
What the fuck you want from me this time?
When we want you, we'll find you. In the meantime,
Dia dibuang, guys.
not to gun down any more officers of the law.
Belum, santai.
Y'all can't leave me here. This baller's country.
I thought you said you was innocent, Carl. But you don't bang.
This is car 58.
See you around like a donut, Carl.
Officer Pendlebury's down.
Kotanya balas, friend.
Right over here.
Oh shit.
Shit,
Here we go
here we go again.
Worst place in the world.
Ini dia, kita
Rolling
bakal
Heights
mulai.
Baller country. Now I ain't represented Grove Street in 5 years, but the ballers won't give a shit.
Tapi di PS ini nggak ada nih skin ini, sini nih. Tiba-tiba langsung naik sepeda ya. Nah, ini dia. Kita langsung ke naik sepeda, kemudian ke rumah CJ-nya ya. Kalau nah ngikutin jalan kereta aja, bang. Langsung ke rumah CJ-nya. Wih, lagi berantem jalanan kereta tuh. Tuh kelindes, astagfirullah. Ya Allah, ambil dia lah.
Ah, you so kind.
Ini ya kelewat anjay. Sini deh, lewat sini deh.
Grove Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up.
Jalan santai cuy. Ini dia misi pertama kita. Big Smoke. Kita bakal ketemu Big Smoke di rumah kalau yang dulu nih. Dia ngeliat foto emaknya kalau nggak salah.
What are you doing, Carl? Ryan, stop it!
Anjay, ingat ya.
Moms are here.
They're up to something.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hey, Big Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill!
Chill, man.
CJ.
What?
Oh my God! What's up? Hey, baby, you okay, man?
Nah, man.
Santai, man.
It's my mom's, homie.
Hey, I don't know why this had to happen.
Gue seneng banget nih kalau apa
I'ma find out.
disebutnya aksen Inggris orang-orang kayak gini nih.
Like it says.
Diucapinnya tuh enak aja didengar kayak gimana ya?
Book. Same things make us laugh,
Come on, man, kayak
make
gitu,
us
man.
cry. But right now we gotta take care of our
Asik tuh
business.
jadi.
Go
Ya,
see your
omongnya
brother
asik.
at the cemetery. Come on, let's bounce.
Udah si J lu masih ya.
You wanna drive? Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Nah, ini dia kita sampai di
These 5 years, man, they gonna be
makam.
so happy to see you.
Gue nggak tahu makam siapa, makam emaknya mungkin. Tapi nggak tahu juga sih.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Look who I found hanging around.
Carl, hey, good to see you.
Gitu sih.
I can't believe she gone, man.
That's another funeral you ran away from, fool. Just like Brian's.
Hey, she was my mama too.
Not for the past 5 years, she wasn't, nigga.
Tampol, udah
And where
tampol.
the fuck you think you
What?
going?
Get out my face. I'm going to see Caesar.
The hell you are, girl. You ain't messing with them essays. You know we beefed it. Ain't nothing but a
Look,
bunch
I'm
of
not
lowlife.
women. What the fuck are you?
At least I got
Resep
pressure.
gitu kalau
I guess
ngeliat
that makes you an upstanding American. Carl, tell
laki sama cewek
him.
berantem.
Shit,
As long
man.
as he treat her right, disrespect you, and he
How the
did.
hell you gonna say that? Like it's in the
Keren
business
ini.
of
Emang
your
ini game paling yang the best.
Shit.
Jalan ceritanya segala macam, motion pergerakannya, men. Ah, klik banget.
What you mean?
What, apart from your mother being dead? Things are going real bad. Here, let me show you running, man. Tony's buried over there. Little devil over there. And big devil over there. Man, it's just crazy. Everybody blasts on fools first, then ask questions second.
Nah, di sini baru kita nih memulai gamenya. Bakal ada
Ballers, drive-by, incoming.
game balas. Wah,
My car. We gotta get back to the hood, man.
jadi mobilnya ditembak, guys. Jadi langsung berapa kali tembakan doang langsung meledak ya. Nggak kayak kalau CJ nembak gitu.
Takes back some, huh, CJ?
Lelet, tapi di sini pasti ada nih anak-anak rental yang kalau jalanin misi ngeduluin
Get so bad.
si siapa sih ini Ucok yang di depan siapa sih? Paijo. Karena udah tahu jalannya. Iya. Gimana jalannya di sini kan? Lelet pada kalian sih. Salah. Gue salah. Salah, men. Awas apa? Iyalah. Oke. Aman, boy.
Shit, a Polish car's onto us. Split up. Keep up, motherfucker.
Keep up, motherfucker. Shit. Kita bakal ngikutin nih.
Why you bother coming back?
Lelet sih inti jalannya.
To the game, right, dog?
Wah,
This bad before you left. East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
nabrak mulu bangke. Itu dia yang ciri khas GTA tuh. Kalau boncengan, men. What the hell? Nabrak berkali-kali. Boncengan tuh pegangan di besi motor di belakang itu. Jadi kayak gimana ya? Kalau ngeliat orang, karena biasanya aki-aki itu naik motor diboncengin pegangannya besi belakang itu, jadi
Move it, CJ.
kayak GTA kan, langsung mikirnya kayak orang naik motor kayak GTA gitu, pasti kayak gitu. Wah, langsung aja lah, langsung aja kita ke home-nya, Stay with Ryder. Kalau di game aslinya namanya Ryder, cuman kalau di Indonesia biasanya familiarnya Pak Ijo. I don't know. Dia ngapa lama banget? Iya,
Matter, fool? You tired?
Come on, man, you gotta keep up.
dia kira gue udah ketinggalan kali, padahal gue udah depan. Lelet sente
Keep
pada.
up, CJ.
Keep up, motherfucker. Got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Ride a nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. Tired. I'll catch y'all later. Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Haircut, gunting rambut, disuruh gunting rambut nih abis ini. Rumah CG Carl, di sini garasinya, nge-save-nya di dalam. Anjay, ini dia men, mission passetnya, alik parah. Oh, kita taruh di ini dulu deh, garasi. Kan punya sepeda kan? Punya sepeda. Nah, itu tempat save-nya. Kita bakal naik ke atas dulu. Di sini tuh tempat tidur, tapi nggak bisa tidur, wah parah. Kita langsung keluar dan jalanin misi keduanya. Go and see Ryder. He lives down the street. Oke, kita ke rumah Ryder.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around.
Kan balik kan?
Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Timber Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Centrip and Ballers and Vargos have taken over. So watch yourself out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
Jangan kasih tahu siapa-siapa. Oke, Ryder. Hi man.
Hey, man, what you want?
Seeing my home. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love?
Jangan
No
narkoba.
hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some
Tadi kan udah ketemu, kenapa nggak pelukan?
Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. Fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Let's go, bitch.
Asik banget nih orang.
Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Oke, gue yang bakal ngedrive. Ngedrive nih. Radionya men.
Still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy ass
Yang paling
motherfucker. This membrane years ago.
oh ya apa
Well,
itu?
I let that old fool in my head.
Yang paling nostalgia gitu, gue paling inget tuh radio di K-Ros. K-Ros ya, K-R-O-S-T. Itu lagu-lagunya asik-asik banget men.
I'm not.
Di bawah senja kan, anak-anak senja tuh sambil ngopi. Wih, salik banget.
You
Wih,
always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass.
tapi gue nggak tahu nih.
You still buster to me.
Radionya takutnya kena copyright atau gimana.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Oh, jangan di sini nih. Parkir, sorry. Parkir mobil dulu. Takut ini macet. Kita tuh tahu aturan men. Tuh disuruh gunting rambut bener. Barber haircut. Kayak gimana nih? Lupa men. Anjay. Bang Ewok. Abo. Ini apa nih? Nah. Udah kumisnya. Mantap kan? Udah kan?
Nice to have you back, son.
Iya, nanti gue bakal balik lagi bro, santai. Kita yang lain juga.
Shit, I told you he was crazy. Man, you jacked up. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Look at this
Pizza.
skinny CJ.
Suruh makan dulu apa ya? Iya benar, suruh makan.
Take care of business.
Oke, kita bakal makan sampai muntah-muntah. Nggak punya duit. I'm sorry. What do you want? Jangan pizza. Oh, pizza. Jangan pizza bang. Ada yang lain nggak bang? Seblak. Seblak anjay. Spicy wing. Jangan nggak. Gue mau makan di sini nggak dibungkus bang. Nah ini boleh nih.
Have a well-stacked day.
Dadah, thank you bang. Wah anjir nih. Ini mulai dia aksinya nih. Dia mulai aksinya di sini nih.
Give up the money. This a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel
Udah
sorry
kenal
for
gitu ya petugas pizzanya.
You crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster.
Wow,
Oh, shit. Run.
dia punya shotgun.
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
Apa dikejar? Apa dikejar? Wow. Santai bang. Mati. Anjir. Shotgun. Ngeri banget shotgunnya. Jadi ulang lagi dong kita nih. Ngejalanin misi sama Ryder. Baru sebentar kan udah ada mobil bagus. Baru sebentar main udah ada mobil bagus, artinya udah cepet gitu. Ini diulang, jadi gue bakal skip sampai dimotong rambut. Sampai dimakan pizza tadi ya. Nah ini kita udah ada di pizzanya. Dan tinggal ditembak doang. Skip. Langsung kabur.
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
Biar ditembak anjir.
Waiting for, fool. Take a
Jangan sampai bocor banyak men. Waduh, hampir ya nabrak. Langsung lah bintang. Saksikan skill drive ku. Sorry men. Wah, goblok nabraknya. Radionya ini nggak ya? Takutnya kena copyright gua. Tapi santuy lah, santuy.
Ice Cube, man. That right there is a real history of hip hop. From the East Coast to the West Coast, you can't be mad at that record, man. Ice Cube is doing it, man. Of course, you're checking out RLS.
Nyampe. Nyampe. Better drop pain and see sweet.
about that graffiti too. Later, homie.
Later, homie. Anjay, misinya begitu doang ternyata ya. Yang gua kira, but you know what? Ngomong apa sih anjir? Misinya cuman gunting rambut sama makan pizza. Malah nggak dapet, parah. Rider. Pejo. Oke deh, video episode kali ini cuman kita jalanin 2 misi aja dulu. Nanti bakal kita lanjutin lagi. Buat kalian yang ada video-video lucu atau video meme, bisa kalian tag IG gue di deskripsi @dowfltn. Nanti bakal bisa lah gue react. So thank you nih yang udah nonton dari awal sampai habis. See you next video and bye bye. Thank you man. Kita bakal satu dulu.